All right, this is from the It's Really a Small World department, the archery industry. You never know who you're going to bump into. I came down to the Allentown area this morning to do a little hunting with my friend Brian, who owns Archery at the Glen here, and came into the shop, was going to have him just tweak my X-Force a little bit for this Illinois hunt that I'm going to be going on. And I come into the shop, and Dan Fisher, the owner of Arizona Archery Enterprises, is in here. Making a sales call or visiting one of his retailers here, and got to talking, and he's like, where are you going hunting? What kind of vanes are you shooting? What kind of a rest are you shooting? And here now I got the owner of the company refletching my arrows for me and getting me set up. Dan, what are you putting on my shafts here?
These are our Plastifletch Max 2.3 vanes, and because you're shooting a mechanical broadhead, they'll steer it very well.
And I'm kind of zooming in on those vanes now. Tell me a little bit more about the design of these vanes and kind of what makes them do what they do.
Our Plastifletch Max is designed with our toughest blend of material, and really designed just to give you ultimate durability. They're ribbed with a stepped base so that you get a lighter weight vane with more linear rigidity with the design of the vane. So.
And how long have these been out on the market?
We've had these out on the market for 2 years, but we've been the largest vane manufacturer in the country since 1971.
Awesome. And you were also telling me about some rests that you guys make too, and you talked me into trying one of these drop-away rests that you guys have?
Yeah, we've got 2 rests. One we're going to put on your bow is our Avalanche, and it's just a really good, consistent fall-away rest. We have a whale-tail launcher blade, and the big advantage of the whale-tail launcher blade is that upon release, it takes a little shock out of your arrow and tightens up your groups a lot better.
Neat, neat. And so what are you guys doing in Allentown anyway? How did I end up bumping into you just coming in off a morning hunt?
We're just out here seeing some of our customers in the Pennsylvania and Maryland area, and Lou Lamont is my...
Oh yeah, we got Lou. Lou's been stripping my vanes, which was real tough, wasn't it, Lou?
It was real tough, stripping just with my fingers. It was, you didn't do a very good job, but that's why we're here.
That's
Dan's
all right,
also using our new Max Bond glue on your arrows, and also our Fletch 3 fletching jig, which are 2 great products that go along very well with our vanes. If you notice, Dan is very efficiently and very quickly fletching an arrow.
Now you say going along with your products, can you use your glues with other vanes as well?
Yes.
Absolutely, yeah. Our Max Bond really is a different formulation than anybody else's CA on the market, and it works better on anybody's anybody's vanes besides just ours. So.
And CA, what does that stand for?
Cyanoacrylate, which is basically a super glue.
Gotcha. All right, well, I'm going to turn this thing off, and when we get them fletched up, we'll shoot a little bit on the range and see how they fly.
You're on.
All right, so Dan fletched me up with AAE's, what kind of vane, Dan?
Plastifletch Max.
The Plastiflex Max, and so now I'm going to fling a few arrows and see how they fly. Come into the pro shop and you have the owner of the company that makes the stuff put it on your bow for you, so this is pretty cool. And now he's here and he can see his handiwork. That's what I had him adjust. Look, see, so it wouldn't do that so much. That's consistency.
Better.
Felt better.
Okay.
All right. We will check out these things going forward. I'll be taking these vanes and arrows on my Illinois hunt the first week of November, and we'll be sure to let you know how we make out.